Hi there, my name is Edosa Aigabai and you're welcome to my channel, Dosa Height Digitals. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to add music to your project using inshot. So let's head straight into our inshot mobile application on our smartphone. Okay, now I'm going to launch my inshot, which I'm doing right now. And it's actually showing me some little bit of updates that it has done because I actually updated my InShot. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of the tutorial that will drop on the channel. So let me just click on video. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'll click on new. And what I'm going to do next is that I'll look for a particular video project that I want to add sound to, which is actually empty. So I'm going to use this particular one. Let me get on my brush tool. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so let me just click on it. And then let me also click on another one so that we can watch the video play and also hear the sound from the background as well. And I think we're okay with this. So I'm just going to tap on this and move this one behind the other. And we are really cool with that. So the next thing that I want to do now, okay, is to tap on my music. I'm going to tap on my music, or before that, let me actually crop out this stuff. Okay, I've done that now. And next thing I want to do is to add my music. So I'm just going to click on add music. Now I'm just going to click on tracks. All right, when you click on tracks now, for the effects, you can actually add some effects that you want, but we won't be covering that in this particular tutorial. Or you can do a voice record if you need to choose, but we won't be doing that right now. So I'm just going to click on tracks. And now it says extract audio from video. Now, if you have a video on your phone, on your mobile device, and you love the soundtrack they use, you can actually click on it on this particular instruction here. You can click on that element and it will allow you do what? Remove the track from the video. Or you can actually download tracks from the InShot music library. You can download tracks here, just as many as you want or as many as you choose. And they're actually free tracks for you, so there's no license issue with that. So I'm just going to click on my music, and after clicking on my music, I'm just going to search for a particular soundtrack that I want to use for that I want to add to my project. So I can just choose anyone that will run through for about a minute or about 30 seconds. Okay, let me just see this one, If Love is a Crime. So I'm going to click on use, then click on this and drag it here, and this is what we have. So I'm just going to play it and you see. Now there's something here that I really need to do. If you notice that the particular video has a sound, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tap on this, then reduce the volume of the video. Do same for the other one, reduce the volume so that the soundtrack that we've already added can actually play smoothly. You can see now. But I want to do something. I really want the song to play from the very beginning. So I'm just going to tap on this, split it, click on this and delete it, then move this forward so that the song can play right away. Let me do same again. Delete this, then move this down. I want the song to actually play. Okay, you see, that's what we have. Okay, so that's how you actually use your InShot. That's how you add music to your project in InShot. All right, so with that, it is actually very easy for you and anybody to actually do. So, okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't also forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any tutorial. Every week we drop tutorials, we give you fresh videos, we give you tips, we give you trainings so that it can help your brand to gain more visibility. Okay, so until then, again, this is Doza I Take It House, and I'll tell you bye bye.